Hey guys, there is a new ClickUp feature that we need to talk about. I am so excited that they have rolled out the new Clips hub inside of ClickUp. If you are a user of Loom for doing screen shares and sharing quick videos with your team, this is probably going to be a new exciting alternative to explore. My clients are already diving into using it and they love it. So I'm going to bring you a little walkthrough on how it can work, and if you want to start using it, this is going to be your invitation to go to town. Before we dive in, my name's Nicola Melinda and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time that you're finding me, then a warm welcome to you. On this channel we talk all things ClickUp with a sprinkling of other systems as well from time to time. I'm a verified consultant, and so I help my clients to really get the best out of ClickUp so they can maximize their time and make running their business a lot easier. So like I said, we're going to be diving into the new clips feature in this video, and I'll be giving you a bit of a walkthrough through the hub and just talking about how it actually works in a practical way. Now, screen recording actually isn't brand new to ClickUp, but they have had the feature for a little while, but now you can see that they are really making this another key feature to use inside of the platform. Now, I don't know about you, but we use Loom a lot in the consultancy in my business. I share a lot of reviews, walkthroughs, and just general videos on how to get things done in the workspace. And if you're also a similar minded person, if you like to see things in a video format, this is going to make it a lot easier for you to do that and to maximize using this feature. If you also create SOPs and you use videos to help you, then again, it means that everything is going to be housed inside of your ClickUp. So it's another win-win for you in terms of making ClickUp your one source of truth inside of your business. All right, so we are inside of the Clips hub. So you'll find your Clips hub on the left-hand side menu, just under all of the main menu options where you've got home, inbox, dashboards. You'll see something that says Clips, and the three dots here will allow you to instantly start recording a clip straight away. You'll see your recent clips that you've created as well. You can also unpin it from the sidebar if you don't want it there. Also at the top of the screen, you have the option to record your clip. So this is the Clip Hubs area. This is how all of your clips and screen recordings, this is how they are organized inside of the ClickUp workspace. So this is how ClickUp is doing it. And you've obviously got the big orange button there that says new clip. So if you click on any of these areas, new clip or the video, or even through the menu option, record a clip, you'll see that it will pull up the option for you to start recording. So we have a couple of options. We can decide whether to record with or without a microphone. In this video, I'm going to do an example without the microphone on because I'm already screen recording, but you can just select whatever microphone that you use. You also can decide where you want to film. So full screen or just a window or a specific tab. I'm going to stick to the current tab because I just want to show you guys just how it works inside of ClickUp, and then we can just start recording. So if you're familiar with Loom, Loom will give you options. You know, when you go to hit record, it will say, what do you want to record? Do you want to record this tab, this window? So if you've used Loom before, then you'll be familiar with it. It's very, very similar. Just click on allow, and then we can just start recording our screen. So we'll get a little countdown, that's 3, 2, 1, which is just to let you know that it's about to start. So if you are going to be talking someone through a process or sharing a walkthrough with a member of your team or a client, obviously the countdown helps. Now we can see that the video is recording. So we've got our little timer here telling us how long this video is currently going to be. Let's just click that off. So now we've got some additional options here that you can see at the top. So we've got the option to reset the recording, or you can pause the recording, or you can delete the recording altogether. So once you hit the stop button, what's going to happen is it's going to upload that clip into your Clip Hubs, and then you have the option to download it if you do want to download it and save that file somewhere else. So if you want to drop that into a Google Drive folder and you want to keep it safe somewhere else, then you've got the option to do that. So the question is, can you share your videos with outside users? Yes, you can. If I hover over one of these clips, we see that we've got the option to copy a link, which means that you can share that link inside of ClickUp or Slack in email. I've shared clips with clients in our Slack workspace, and it just makes it so much easier for them to be able to see what I'm actually sharing with them. So all you'll do is just click that link, and they don't need to have necessarily access to your ClickUp. You can click that link and share that with individuals. Also, you'll notice that the way that these clips are being grouped, they kind of look like task types inside of the hub. So this is one that I made earlier, and as you can see, we've got a full video, 30 something seconds. On the right hand side, we're able to see any comments that have been applied to the video, and we can also see the transcript of the video itself. You can copy all of the transcript text and then you can export it out. So this is a great way for you to actually start documenting your processes. Like if you really want to get your SOPs together, do screen shares, do screen recordings, copy the transcript, and then you can just go through the text, maybe use ClickUp Brain, ClickUp AI, that might be a video for another day, but you can start to group your transcript together for your team and for others to be able to utilize it. So it is a really smart way of using clips inside of your business, and I think this is going to be really cool for going forward. So yeah, I'm excited to see what it brings. So just some things to note, and I don't know if anything is due to change or be updated on this further down the line. We will see what happens. However, just bear in mind that the Clips Hub and screen shares inside of ClickUp does not make it an editing app. This isn't a replacement for using Loom if you do extensive edits or you like to bring in additional clips. It's not really going to help support you in that capacity, but it does give you a way to share quick updates or share those screen shares with your team members in any capacity that you need to. So just something for you to bear in mind there. Also, as it stands, there doesn't seem to be a huge time limit on how long your videos can run for. So if you are using Loom and you're using the free account in Loom, then your videos only go up to 5 minutes, whereas inside of ClickUp, you can record your videos for a much longer period of time, which is also a plus if you do have quite a bit to share to your team. Now, I won't personally be giving up on using Loom altogether. I still will use it as a part of my business, but this is a great addition and alternative option to use as well inside of ClickUp. If you want to share processes or task specific updates, you can use the Clips Hub, and you can also benefit from using the AI features in ClickUp as well. So if you want to see more of that, drop a comment or a like, and I'll be sure to do a video on that in the future. So let me know, will you be using this inside of your business? Are you already using it? Let's talk in the comments and share a little bit more. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you do hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.